Today let's talk about verification of hemoglobin level to prevent worsening of prognosis in heart failure with preserved ejection fraction patients from the Pursuit Heart Failure with Preserved Ejection Fraction Registry. Anemia has been reported as poor predictor in heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. The aim of this study was to evaluate the impact of changes in hemoglobin from discharge to 1 year after discharge on the prognosis using a lower cutoff value of hemoglobin than the World Health Organization criteria. Coming to methods and results, first, 547 heart failure with preserved ejection fraction cases were divided into two groups, hemoglobin less than 11.0 grams per deciliter and hemoglobin greater than or equal to 11.0 grams per deciliter, according to hemoglobin at discharge, and further were divided, according to hemoglobin 1 year after discharge into hemoglobin less than 11.0 grams per deciliter, hemoglobin greater than or equal to 11.0 grams per deciliter, hemoglobin less than 11.0 grams per deciliter, and hemoglobin greater than or equal to 11.0 grams per deciliter respectively. Major adverse cardiovascular events was defined as composite of all-cause death and heart failure readmission after a visit 1 year after discharge. The cutoff value of hemoglobin was analyzed by the receiver operating characteristics curve that predicts major adverse cardiovascular events. We examined the incidence rate of major adverse cardiovascular events between G4 and other subgroups and verified predictors of improving or worsening anemia and covering factors with change in hemoglobin. In multivariate Cox proportional hazard model, major adverse cardiovascular events was significantly higher in G3 with worsening anemia from hemoglobin greater than or equal to 11.0 grams per deciliter to less than 11.0 grams per deciliter than G4 with persistently hemoglobin greater than or equal to 11 grams per deciliter. Major adverse cardiovascular events was not significantly different between G2 with improving anemia from hemoglobin less than 11.0 grams per deciliter to greater than or equal to 11.0 grams per deciliter and G4. In multivariate logistic regression analysis, independent predictors of improving anemia were male, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, prior heart failure hospitalization, and estimated glomerular filtration rate. Independent predictors of worsening anemia were age, body mass index, clinical frailty scale score, hemoglobin at discharge, and use of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor or angiotensin to receptor blocker. In multivariate linear regression analysis, covering factors with change in hemoglobin were body mass index, serum albumin, and total cholesterol. In conclusion, change in hemoglobin after discharge using a lower cutoff value than World Health Organization criteria has prognostic impact in patients with heart failure with preserved ejection fraction.